It's happening, people. Your boy Trill. And I'ma stay peace, together, not apart, all that good stuff. Higher living. We out here with another video. We're gonna be getting stretched out by ourselves. Pause. And we're going to make sure that the flow of the breath that is within us is eased within us with no dis-ease, just ease. So let's get to the mat. Start at cobbler pose. You're gonna bring the plantar surfaces of both your feet like this with your hands. Clap with your feet. You're gonna grab your toes, scoot yourself, your heels of your feet close to the groin as possible. Grab your feet, sit up straight, through the nose, out the mouth. You're gonna lean forward. Alright, now we're gonna stretch the left leg out in front of us. You're gonna bring your right leg over where your right ankle is gonna be on your left knee, and your left elbow is gonna be to your right knee, doing the seated spinal twist. You're gonna push the left knee on the right elbow, and for stability and straightening purposes, straighten out your right arm. 3 breaths. This side, left ankle, right knee, right elbow, left knee, left arm straight. This is getting the kinks out the lower back. Now with our legs spread, it's not both spread. Alright. Legs spread, sitting up straight. Bring your arms up. Lean to the right. You're stretching the right hammy and left obliques. Chitio. 3 breaths. Back up top. Switch to the left side. Bring your head to your knee as much as you can. 3 breaths. Feeling good. Now we're gonna bring the right knee turned to bend in, and we're gonna bring the left leg back. Pigeon pose. We're gonna start with beginner pigeon pose. The beginner is pretty much first. You're gonna make sure your leg is at either 90, depending on how flexible you are, 45-degree angle between there. You're gonna be off this cheek, and you're gonna be making sure that your left leg is straight and aligned in the back. I like to have the heel of my foot aligned with my leg. And leaning forward. Stretching the hip, especially the glutes. We're gonna come up for regular pigeon pose. Now we're gonna bring the right hand in front. And we're gonna bring our left leg closer to us. And we're gonna grab the foot, making sure that the cheek has no tension, don't squeeze. We're just gonna stretch this quad. The child's pose before we get into the next, to the left side. Spread your knees out if your knees are stiff. Spread your knees out if your hips are stiff, excuse me. We're going to the left side. Alignment principles the same on this side. Make sure your ball, heel of your foot, I want to say ball of the foot. Heel of your foot is aligned with your leg. Leg is straight on the back. Angle, agreement, coming down. Up, regular pigeon. Bring this quad up, stretching this quad, bringing this leg back. Down. Legs in front. You're gonna bring them at an angle. Bring your buttocks closest to your heels of your feet as much as you can, leaning back. Man, now we're gonna do a simple bridge pose. It's gonna be warming up the lower back with the squeeze of your glutes. It's gonna strengthen your lower back even more. It's gonna be stretching quads, getting into your hips, your lower back, and your glutes. And always get into a great foundation of your lower back, your trunk, what I call it. Elevate up. It's 3 breaths. Down. And we're simply just gonna have our legs going straight up. Down. And we're gonna do a supine twist. So you're gonna bring with your legs all the way down, all your limbs down. You're gonna bring your right knee up to a 90-degree angle. Twist your right side over to the left to where your right knee can hit the ground as much as possible or as much as possible. So if you can only go 5 inches from the ground, fine. Do not hurt yourself. Coming down. And with your knee being where it can be, your left hand is gonna be on your right knee. You're gonna twist to the right. Put your right arm out. We're gonna do more of these. This one's great for getting the kinks out in the back. And a good relaxation move. I always use this in the morning when I wake up. Alright, so we did 5. Come back and rotate. Bring your right leg down. Bring your left leg up. Bring it to your right side. Hold your left knee with your right hand. Twist to the left. Have your arm extended. 5 breaths. Simply just gonna extend your arms ahead. Stretch your body as much as possible. Sitting up, you're gonna go straight into a straightforward bend. Either grabbing the back of your ankles or the palm of your feet, your plantars. 5 breaths. Them hammies straightened. Back up slowly. It's always good for warming up your lower back. We're gonna get into Siddhasana, Sukhasana, different names for other people, easy pose, and meditate. Back straight, chest up, chin either parallel or slightly tilted. Through the nose, out the mouth. If you can't clear your mind, visualize yourself doing and being what you want to do and be the day in the most positive light and prosperous light possible. See all the negativity and negative thoughts, people, the actions getting cut by pruning shears, for your life and your mind is guarded. And these pruning shears are here to cut out all negativity. Come to, bring your arms up from the side. Meet them with praying hands to the center. One last big inhale and exhale. Namaste. Peace. Love and blessings to all. That was another stretch and flow that we have. Great for your lower body. We're going to get to more upper body stretch and flows as well. But we do those when we do the Trill flows. It's really about getting in contact and getting centered, using the ground and gravity to your advantage to make sure that the alignment of your body isn't solely used upon yourself. Don't lean on your own understanding. That. And to make sure that you just stand and flow, you feel me? I feel great and amazing because I am great and amazing. And I pray that you feel the same way. You know, love, peace, and prosperity to all. It's your boy Trill. Again, peace, not apart, together. Love.